Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this watercolored background card with the Art in Bloom bundle. So here is the Art in Bloom bundle. This bundle is special because it includes an embossing folder that coordinates with the dies. So this die fits inside the embossing folder and it allows you to cut and emboss at the same time. So you just place your paper inside and then close it up and run it through your die cutting machine, and it will cut and emboss at the same time, and you'll end up with these lovely embossed and cut out flowers. So it's super cool. But for this card, I am just going to be using this to cut out my flowers, and I will be doing this in another video, so check out the other video to see this in action. So for this card, I am going to start off by creating a watercolor background with some watercolor paper. So this piece, use some scratch paper, is 3 1/4 by 4 1/2. And I'm going to use some granny apple green for the ground and some balmy blue for the sky. I'm going to start with the sky, and I'm going to use aqua painter, sorry, water painter. That was the old name. And I'm going to start by getting the paper wet. So this is watercolor paper, our fluid 100 watercolor paper. And I'm gonna grab a whole bunch of ink, and I'm gonna make this darker over here. And this is gonna be lighter. Grab some more ink. Make this darker. And what's great about watercolor paper is, obviously it's made for watercoloring, but you can keep working in color to your paper and keep on. I'm gonna create like a little line here for our grass and keep on adding color to your background. Let that fade. Get that dark up here. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. So I'll clean this off over here. Get this nice and clean. Clean. And we can do the grass with the granny apple green. So again, I'm gonna get this wet. Make a line here. Get this all wet. And then I'm gonna grab some green, make it darker over here. Start over here. So we'll add some more dark green down here, and then we'll just lighten it up as we move up here. Grab some more. Just keep working that in if you want to. Could even add some flick some paint on there if you want to, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry a little bit and wash up the ink off my brush. I've got a Stampin' Scrub over here on the side, and I'm just squeezing the water, just wiping this back and forth to get all the water off. And then I'm going to squeeze this back into a point. Make it nice and back into a point. Kind of maintain your brushes. Okay, put the cap on that. All right, so now I have a piece of thick basic white cardstock, and I'm going to use that to frame my picture. And I'm going to stamp happy in basic gray. And so there's a sentiment, but it says, thanks for making me happy, but I just want the happy. So I'm just gonna ink up the happy in the basic gray. I kind of want to see where it goes. Oh, it's wet. So I'm gonna kind of look at this, and well, I can kind of tell from that. So I'm gonna put it below there because I got ink on it. That's where my happy is gonna go. Ta-da! Oops. And then I just got something right there too. What did I get right there? Where did my little sand eraser? All right, and now I have the stem from Terrific Tulips, and it's like the perfect stem for these flowers. And so normally I'd wait for this to completely dry, but for the sake of time, we're just gonna go ahead and stamp this. Could use my heat tool. It's pretty good. So I'm just going to lightly tap this. Stamp one in the middle, and then one on each side. There we go. And I've already stamped and cut out the flowers and the leaves. So the flower stamp is one whole stamp because it coordinates with the die, which is one whole die. So it gets cut out like that. And then what's cool is you have two leaves, so you can cut out more leaves with each pass, and then you have two of the other set of leaves as well. You also have this fun ticket die and this long die for this long sentiment right here. And then you have this detailed leaf dies, a set of two, and these fun little flower dies that you can add as like accents on your card. So I'm gonna put all of these on dimensionals. So cut all the sides, my mini dimensionals up so that a little bit faster. That one's done. My regular dimensionals. So we've got this one over on this side. Maybe down here. And this one on the right, like that. And then this one's on the top. And then the leaves. One over here. And one in the middle. And another one over here. So pretty. And then we're gonna add this to the card on dimensionals. It looks so nice, popped up. It looks like a framed piece of art. Make sure I'm not getting too much ink on my hands so I don't transfer the ink. Okay, let's see if I can cover up my ink spot there. All right, there is my lovely Art in Bloom watercolored card, watercolored background card. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase this bundle. It comes with supplies for 6 cards, these 3 designs. So go to my website and use the current hostess code, then email me and let me know that you would like this card kit and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching this video tutorial. Don't forget to check out my other video tutorials on the Art in Bloom bundles and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel to check out all my other videos and click on the notification bell so that you know when I post a new video. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.